Hello, and welcome to User Experience Design, User Interaction and Solution Testing. We're going to go over a little bit of the course overview to get you introduced to this course, a little bit of a review of the sections that you're going to be going over in this video course, as well as talk about some things of dealing with InVision app prototyping for testing, and get excited about our journey. So let's get started. Now, I'm your guide, Chris Becker. You may have experienced some of the other courses that PACT has run, and you may have heard this in the past, so I'll be quick. My background is in graphic design from Colorado State University in graphic design, and I have a master's degree in the Art Center College of Design in Pasadena in media design practices. I've been a user experience designer and UI designer for the last decade, and I've been working with companies in and around Los Angeles, both startups, advertising, SaaS companies, and currently working inside of ad tech. If you follow me on social media, on Twitter, Medium, I write articles, I answer questions on Quora. Now, part of the role of this course is it's towards the latter end number of other courses, and we're going to be using materials that we've produced or created in the other courses. So if you're meeting this for the first time and you just got introduced to me, you may want to go back and explore some of the other courses. Most importantly, advanced UX techniques, which helps kind of produce a high level and a high fidelity prototype, and the fundamentals of UX techniques, which also bolster the ideas of where your prototype can be built. So the order goes fundamentals of UX techniques and then advanced UX techniques. Now, in this course, we're going to talk about a few things. Talking about InVision prototype as a tool for testing. We're going to talk mostly about testing our prototypes today. The second topic is how to take those tests and modify our motion prototypes, which we started to build in Principle for Mac. We'll then talk about how high fidelity prototyping and how we iterate those high fidelity prototypes based on our user tests. We'll then iterate and create some versions, talk about version software for our prototyping. And then prototype as a way into communicating with product development. All of this will lead to producing a more high quality end product, and we'll recap the process. Now, along this course is that this really is based in an idea of learning, applying, and then testing your outcomes. You'll do this both internally on yourself as well as with the things that we're building.